Welcome to Wellness by Mommy. I hope you are safe and sound. In today's video, let's talk about what you should not do when trying to conceive. Don't smoke. Research shows women who smoke are 60% more likely to have infertility than non-smokers. Cigarette smoke may affect male fertility too by reducing sperm count. Avoid too much caffeine. 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day is fine, but more than 5 is linked to reduced fertility. When having sex, lay off certain lubricants. KY jelly, olive oil, and even saliva keep sperm from moving efficiently in the female reproductive tract. Instead, use a lubricant that is labeled fertility-friendly, or ask a healthcare provider for suggestions. I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe for more interesting, evidence-based, educative and informative videos. Like and share this video. Turn on your notification icon so you can be notified when next I drop a new video. I desire for you good health and long life. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and remain healthy. Peace.